Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my Patreons and those who order their Tesla using my link. And we are continuing to discuss the ramifications of Tesla Q2 reports, the sales and the earning. The sales were fabulous, the earning sucked. But I like to look at the big picture, and today we're going to discuss Tesla's path to total domination, which they are achieving on a daily basis. And what is the path that they are taking, and what is the path they need to take in order to be prepared to the day that it's coming soon, where all cars are transitioning from gasoline to electric. And first and foremost is batteries. The car cannot go anywhere without a battery pack, obviously. And batteries are not easy to make, and it used to be extraordinarily expensive. And as time goes by, battery technology makes them more dense and makes them less expensive. And that is fabulous. Just for comparison, a watt-hour battery used to cost $1,000 per watt-hour. Now it's down to about $180, going down to $150, and eventually going down to $50. And that's the beauty of scale. So right now, so you know, the Gigafactory in Nevada, which produces most of the batteries in the world for cars, produces 28 gigawatt hour of batteries. Musk wants to get it up to 1,000 gigawatt hour, and eventually 1 terawatt hour of batteries for the cars, for the packs, for the everything that they do with battery storage and all that stuff. And that is a very ambitious thing, and but it has to be done in order for Tesla to continue to be dominating. The whole idea is total domination, and batteries are the key component. As of now, Tesla is dominating, but imagine what will be in the future. And the Maxwell partnership. The Maxwell partnership can help achieve that goal, and the battery investors' days, so to speak, like Elon spoke about last time, should now take place in February or March of 2020. And just for knowledge to understand that a Tesla Model 3, for example, the car I'm driving right now, has 246 watt-hour per kilogram, and the idea is to get it to 500 watt-hour per kilogram. Kilogram is about less than 2 pounds. So the key to the kingdom, the key to success and domination in the EV market is batteries. Your production, you're reliant on yourself for the battery production. So that's how you achieve domination. The next thing is almost, I would say almost finalized and achieved. It's the supercharging network. Every day that passes by, Tesla launches put online more and more superchargers in the United States and around the world, especially in Western Europe, China, Far East, and other places. And the superchargers, and now we're going to V3 superchargers, the 3rd generation, which give you 250 kilowatt of charging, which is incredibly fast. I mean, I'm happy with the V2, believe me, with the 145 kilowatt. But the supercharging, which really put the cart before the horse, unbelievable, the domination, because you never worry about going on long trips. Autopilot slash autonomous driving slash full self-driving is making great strides, but like I said in so many of my videos before, the last 20% of full self-driving is the hardest one to achieve. Parking lots, traffic lights, and all that stuff. But it's coming, and it's coming, and once that achieved, full self-driving with 99.9% confidence of safety and regulation and all that stuff, really the domination will be almost complete. Sales. Tesla sell more cars every year. Don't ever look at quarters. Look at year by year. Tesla sells more cars every single year than the previous year. I think that the domination of the Tesla Model 3, 80% of the automotive sales, is a blessing and a curse, because the margins are not that great and can explain some of the losses. But the upcoming Model Y, Tesla truck, and all that will offset and bring more revenue and more margin into the sales. But the idea of domination is sell cars. You can make batteries. If you don't sell the cars, what's the point? Sell cars. And again, think about year by year. Tesla sells more car this year than last year, and next year than this year. This year on the path of 360 to 400,000 cars, Tesla cars. Next, factories. Where are you going to make those cars? You can battery. Where are you going to make them? So Tesla now has the Fremont factory, obviously, Tesla Gigafactory 1 in Nevada, which all the batteries are made, Gigafactory 2 in New York, where all the battery packs are made, Gigafactory 3 in China, which is just about ready and start producing cars in November, and Tesla Gigafactory 4, hopefully in Europe, probably by 2021-ish, but Europe is slow, lots of regulations and all that stuff. That's a problem. So factories are very important. Production of batteries, production of cars. This is the path that Tesla is taking. This is the path that Tesla is taking to complete and total domination. They have to, however, with all this investment, they bleed cash. They have to find a way that once all the infrastructure is in place, is to make money. I don't think they have problems selling cars. I don't think they have problems making cars. I don't think they're going to have problems making batteries. I think that they need to figure out the most efficient way to sell cars. That's it for today, guys. Let me know if you have any other things to make Tesla dominating in the EV world. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you tomorrow.